What's going on YouTube? Today, as we all know, we are going to be reacting to Cordae Bird's Eye View. He's been talking about this for probably a month. I'll say 2 weeks to a month. And the way he's been talking about it, this shit better be some heat. I heard the freestyle on I heard the freestyle that was yesterday or a couple days ago. I don't remember off the top of my head, but we gonna react to this as a full album review. So, and the way he talking about it, this shit, he better be a legend after this. That's all I'm saying, because like he's been talking about it like he's God, bro. And I fucks with Cordae. Like his music is good. So this better be some fucking heat. But before we get into it, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you are new, and follow me on all social medias down below, and comment which song you like the best. And yeah, let me fix my hat. I got my cheesecake, this wonderful, beautiful cheesecake. Look at it. And yeah, we gonna get into it. If you want to check this out for yourself, it's gonna be in the link in the description down below as well. Let's go.
Like I said, when I was 9, that my first time I held a 9, put it on.
I don't know who Shiloh is. I should have looked into it a bit, but fuck it. Raw point of view, you feel me?
Oh God, man, it must have been a sign, cause my mother, she was stripping, she was always on the grind, while her boyfriend, he was pimping, he didn't have a lot of time, so he showed me where it was, and showed me how to work it, just in case a nigga run up in his bitch, gotta murk him 13, I was serving, nigga 15, Persian, nigga trying to be a cocaine cowboy, Michael Irvin, nigga 16, I was deep up in the trenches, hopping fences, around the time they gave my boy life standards, but I still ain't learned, nigga, I was trying to burn, nigga, trying to put somebody in a grave or a urn, nigga 17, police with my ass just for being black, no choppers.
A little freestyle, nothing much, just a little freestyle.
Now it's being that couldn't break the cycle like recycle. They want to see us back. 18 lions, tigers, bears. I was living with them.
I think this is him.
Going business with them. I'm 21 myself, maybe been down for 35.
Maybe.
He just trying to see the sun before he got it down. So why would I go and cry? I got another chance. See, you don't know the struggle, so you wouldn't understand. Cause in my book, my mama raised a man. Cause I could have stitched on some things to get me out the camp. But I can tell you what I seen or what I lived. It's up to you. Or let my brother tell the story from a bird's eye view.
Thanks to Adobe Premiere Pro's Essential Sound panel, I'm able to search through Adobe.
Shiloh's intro just sounded like a freestyle. I think by Cordae or someone else, but I definitely know it was a freestyle over the phone. So, intro, nothing much, you feel me? Just the intro. Actual song. Okay.
Brink of extinction, hell bent on survival. This life's a continuous cycle. Consider this a venomous haiku. This ain't a verse, nigga. And I done dealt with the worst niggas. The type to steal your shit and search with you. Nothing ordinary. I've been having vivid dreams.
Bro, I hate those people, bro.
Graveyards and mortuaries.
Who literally steal shit and help you look for it. Like, you are so grimy and down bad when you do that shit. That shit was fucking... I hate those people.
I've been having vivid dreams. Them shits is more than scary. Graveyards and mortuaries. Haunted by these goals that I'm trying to accomplish. Underrated, overhated, I'm tired of the nonsense. Things I could have done better, it lies in my conscience. And I'll never forget it. I'm my worst critic. Such an overthinker. I'm so self-reflective. God willing, these parables go and sell some records.
But that's what makes you great, Cordae. If you're not reflecting on yourself, or like you just doing shit and you not like thinking, like, you gotta be your worst like critic, like dead ass. You gotta judge everything you do every single time. You just have to, or you're not gonna be who you want to be. You feel me?
Politicians out here lying, trying to sell a message. 10,000 hours, penmanship is well perfected. I'm just trying to get my point across. And on my mama, I will die for the right cause. Cause what's life without sacrifice? And you just wasting talent if you never strategize. Stare death in the face with the saddest eyes. Taking risk situations getting magnified. What's your ideal way of demise? The price of fame costs your life, but staying alive was more important. The death is the greatest surprise. I see the hate in your eyes. I saw potential at first, grew a resentment for earth. You lust for power too much, and it's getting worse. The more you get.
So far, cool little song. Just spin facts.
The more that your desire can quench your thirst of a conqueror. Ask Alex as Christopher. 7-figure checks, they require my signature. Drive-by shootings, homicides, and vehicular. Now fuck your art critic, can't decide what my.
I don't know half these words he just said right there, but I knew it's a bar.
Pictures worth. I just know that it's painted well. Your favorite artist first priority.
Ooh, what?
Pictures worth. I just know that it's painted well. Your favorite artist first priority.
Fuck, what'd he say, bro?
7-figure checks, they require my signature. Drive-by shootings, homicides, and vehicular. Now fuck your art critic, can't decide what my picture's worth. I just know that it's painted well. Your favorite artist first priority is gaining wealth. Sprinkle holy water on a tainted cell. My brother asked me how the fuck can he maintain in hell. That's another story for a different day. He just told me don't switch your ways, nigga.
Beautiful. Beautiful, mate. That was the end of that song. Alright. Alright, that was Gene, Mitchell, Michael, however you prefer to say it. Decent song. Decent song.
In this tutorial, we are going to be having some fun with the change to color
Fuck you,
tool.
Adobe. Oh, I already heard Super, but it's fucking dope, so we're gonna listen to it again. Cause he got a remix with Eminem at the last one.
Last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Shout out to my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl. On my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the perks you get for being super dope. This is real life, ain't no act in it. All these rap niggas, they be Brad Pitt. Every little thing I do is mad different. Got my little cousin playing badminton. Gave my little bro a quick 50 piece, he got the whole motherfucking trap hitting. I've been stacking up all these assets, can be
Oh my god, when this song came out, bro, it was I fucking loved it, bro. I think I did a reaction on it. Yeah, I definitely did. I remember. Definitely did a reaction.
I keep that drip on me, my nigga, I'm big homie. Hey, I can't ever slip on me. My mama might flip on me like, whoa. Hey, drop top coupe in the motherfucking summer, I rest my case like, hey, I'ma live life to the fullest with every single breath I take. Let me tell you niggas something real quick. Hey, an asshole, you can suck my dick. Get cold every time that you touch my wrist. I'm the greatest nigga, can't fuck with this. My niggas pull up in them Chevys and Beamers. We all young and rich, you can't check my demeanor.
Oh my god, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Cordae is literally a fucking goat. Stop fucking playing with him.
Touch my wrist, I'm the greatest nigga, can't fuck with this. My niggas pull up in them Chevys and Beamers. We all young and rich, you can't check my demeanor. I just bought a Birkin for my Aunt Regina. I've been getting money since I was a senior. But last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Shout out to my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl. On my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the perks you get for being super dope. I be feeling like me against the world, but I can give a fuck who my opponent is. Niggas asking why I dropped the YB and I had no other
He's
choices, we ain't
fucking
own it.
goated.
You know that janky shit, I'm not condoning it. With a couple niggas, I got a bone to pick. I'm on some movement shit, y'all on some moment shit. But I'll be here forever, y'all can go.
Oh my
we
God.
had bad bitches in a new Bentley, just re-up from that new stimmy. My brother counting them blue Benjis, only feel good with my crew with me like, whoa. They try to question my character. Young rich and black, they hate me in America. We some real niggas, don't fit the criteria. Don't like your vibe, not a lot of my area. I entered this game and I came here to change it. Speak my belief, now they calling me.
He gon' change this shit, bro. Oh God.
So anybody got a problem with it?
Oh my God, this is fucking heat. Oh my God, bro, it's so fucking good, man.
Politicking, I ain't worried about it. I know God is with me. Your peace of mind is worth $1.50. But last year I made $7 million. Didn't have to do a single fucking show. Shout out to my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl. On my life moments is Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey. That's the perks you get for being super dope.
Fucking fire, bro. Fucking heat as fuck, bro. Fucking love that song. So damn good. The amount of times I've seen this ad, bro.
Yeah.
This one's Mama's Hood. I forgot. I think it's third song, third, fourth. I can't remember.
I bring the whole city out every time that I'm home. How you all about business, but don't be minding your own. Don't forgive me for my sins, I'm just trying to atone. I'll let it be well known. Yeah. Daydreaming while I'm scheming on a text. Steady plotting as I'm thinking on the next. Yeah. Confident, although I found myself compressed. Overthinking, worrying, I must confess. Yeah. Even though sometimes I wish I was.
When you're like a high known artist or like a very known artist, I do feel like they do be like overthinking so much, cause like they have millions and millions and millions of followers, and they slip up is gonna be everywhere. But long as you like not harming anyone or harming yourself, just be you, bro. Like, dead ass. But I do feel like that is what happens when, you know, you famous and shit.
Exaggerating, and all my problems were just figments of imagination. The smartest nigga who had dropped out, fuck your graduation. I think that shit a fucking scam. Somebody had to say it. Caught up in the matrix.
Bro, on God, graduation's a scam. Like I didn't even try. Like 9th grade, tried a little bit. 10th grade, tried a little bit. But like halfway through 10th grade, bro, like I didn't even do homework for most of my classes at home. I literally finished half of it, turned it in, and I passed. Like, I wasn't going to college. I know what I want to do, and if it don't work out, then I'm fine living an average American life. Like, I'm a simple dude. So I do think graduation's a scam, though. Now, college degrees, that's probably a little different, but graduation, definitely.
Shit, I had to find a way out. Lost too many niggas, swear this shit is getting played out. Student loan forgiveness, all my debt was finally paid out. Appreciate this shit because the gutter, I come straight out. The bottom of bottoms to the top of the tops. And that power washing van that I just bought for my pops. I talk to him every now and then, more often than not. We upgrading next time that I drop. But for now, I was riding through my mama hood, rolling in Jeep. I ain't playing with you niggas, boy, I'm playing for keeps. Fuck these pussy ass niggas, try and prey on the weak. I ain't talking too much, I only say what I mean. I bring the whole city out every time that I'm home. How you all about business, but don't be minding your own. Lord forgive me for my sins, I'm just trying to atone. I'll let it be well known. Yeah, I heard the cage bird sing and it's a beautiful sound. And it'd be so much fucking better, dog, if you was around. Why they had to kill my nigga over a few little pounds. When I got robbed in high school, you even flew to the town. Couldn't really live with him, now I'm living without him. And you was just here with us listening to the new album. Told me that it was a classic, better than my last shit. We used to have hoop dreams.
Cordae's albums are always getting better. I don't know how the fuck he's doing it, but every like it, I don't know, it just, like, when you hear Cordae, he don't have like, well, I guess he has a certain style, but like most artists, they have like, you know, you feel me, like different personalities and shit, but like that's not Cordae. I don't know how to explain it. He's just so good, you know?
Skip all our classes, and now my nigga dead and gone. Shed these tears as I pen this song. Should've got him out, I'll right my wrong. Real nigga shit what I condone. Every nigga got his flaws, accounts is filled with withdrawals. I paint pictures that's vivid because my feelings so raw. This shit I'm dealing with, it's no mistake that I was put in this position just to open gates. The niggas with the least to offer got the most to say. The funeral was too much, I couldn't show my face. Instead, I was riding through my mama hood, rolling in Jeep. I ain't playing with you niggas, boy, I'm playing for keeps. Fuck these pussy ass niggas, try and prey on the weak. I ain't talking too much, I only say what I mean. I bring the whole city out every time that I'm home. How you all about business, but don't be minding your own.
I hate bitches like that, bro.
Sins, I'm just trying.
I hate bitches like that, bro. Like, why are you all up in my motherfucking grill when you got problems of your own to deal with? Don't talk to me unless you got all your shit figured out. I'm not finna sit here and listen to someone who ain't got their shit figured out. That's like listening to a crackhead, you know? Like you're living okay. Maybe you got some problems that you have to deal with. Not big ones, just little ones. And this crackhead just comes up to you and starts saying what you need to do. Like, dude, you need to get off crack first. You know, it's like, mind your own business is what I'm trying to say. Like, don't be one of them dickheads. You feel me?
I'll let it be well known. Yeah. This song is dedicated to my dog Juwan Ross. We called him Pit. Who got killed last summer in a shootout.
Damn.
We used to be on the basketball team together, man. Me and him.
Cordae used to who?
Together. And bro was the first one getting money amongst us all. Like, he was like 15, 16 years old, and he always kept a bankroll on him. And I just miss my dog, man.
Damn. R.I.P. to him. I never knew him, but, you know, respect. I never had one of my friends die yet, so thank God. Next song, Cordae, Want From Me.
How come you ain't never flew me out? All my bitches come
Ooh.
on, they get flued out. One of my girls, nigga, just iced her
This
wrist.
one gonna be beautiful.
He iced both of her wrists. Nigga, what you want from me? I need more from you. I need some action. Okay?
Okay, what do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby.
Oh my God, bro. Stop playing. Stop playing, bro. It gonna make me cry, bro. This is so damn good.
What do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never live with vices or destroy with greed. I'm a man with pride. I won't beg or plead. Just ask, what do you want from me? Is it ever enough? Okay, what do you want from me? Is it ever enough?
Oh my God.
Check it. Men and women are quite different, though our vision is.
He kind of sounded like Logic there. Maybe because, I don't know. I don't know why he sounded like Logic there, but it just sounded like him.
We originated to coexist however you play it. Woman was made from the man's rib, that's why we can't live. You be the judge, but ain't no Uncle Phil without an Aunt Viv. Mother Nature and Father Time, moonlight and sunshine. Everything's interconnected and it's all by design. Yin and yang, and since the Big Bang, ain't shit changed. Sometimes I feel like Russell Wilson, other days I'm Rick James. Life is a balance, duality is one of my talents. If you ask me to express myself, that's gonna be a challenge. When I bought that Birkin bag, I had to ask my accountant. He said, hell nah, but mustard seed faith move mountains. Bad decisions will derive from you just being in love. She ain't the type who out all night that you could see in the club. We both share the same problems, we got too much pride. What do you want from me? Got nothing to hide, girl. Okay, come on.
What do you want from me?
What do you
Ooh-wee.
need? Human, baby, and we all bleed. Never live with vices or destroy with greed. I'm a man with pride, I won't beg or plead. Just ask, what do you want from me? Is it ever enough? Okay,
What do you want from me? Ooh,
is it
ever enough?
Hey, check it. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, check
Sometimes
it.
I fantasize about life, then I analyze. The missing pieces is written thesis, I can't advise. Improper inner circles, gotta sanitize. I clean house, cause I'm only like to vandalize.
Oh
Know
my
your downfall,
god!
although I plan to rise. Life's your biggest fucking test, and
This shit is so damn hard, bro. Oh my god. I fucking love this song.
life, then I analyze. The missing pieces is written thesis, I can't advise. Improper inner circles, gotta sanitize. I clean house, cause I'm only like to vandalize. Plotting on your downfall, although I plan to rise. Life's your biggest fucking test, and this ain't standardized. Quite remedial, the type to see it through. I write for me and you, accomplish shit that isn't feasible. Now what would Jesus do? Fishing bread to the masses. In terms of getting head, I was the head of my classes. Yang to my yang like the feds in harassment. Everything good, my nigga, like why you asking? Beware of ulterior motives. Deeper than
Oh my god.
keeping the fire. My mom still go to work every day. Can't wait till she can retire.
Oh
I keep it
god.
real, that's what people admire. Then ask, what do
You want from me?
What do
Ah, this is fucking awesome. This is fucking awesome, bro.
you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never live with vices or destroy with greed. I'm a man with pride, I won't beg or
Yes,
plead.
please.
Just ask, what
What
do
do you want from me?
Is it
Is ever enough?
okay, what do
You want from me?
Is it ever
Enough? Oh my. World. This shit's a banger. This shit's a banger. This shit's a banger. So far, this is my favorite song. This is my favorite song.
I'm keep it G real. I don't fuck with you cause you disrespecting me. You disrespect my hood by telling me take off my flag, asking how gangster I was. Nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool cause I told you I ain't got time for that. But nigga, today I got time. Cuz.
Today I got time. I'm pretty sure that dude. I'm pretty sure that dude died. Like, I think the summer of last year. I think, maybe, I don't know. But next song, Today, featuring Gunna, Pushin' P. Let's go. It's not called Pushin' P, but it's called The Day. Cordae, Gunna released the album, Pushin' P. You feel me?
Hold on, I don't got a time today. Money on my mind, nigga, I got to grind today. Get that shit on delay. Tell my brothers you ain't gotta worry, I'ma find a way.
Oh
shit
God.
line in place. Hot out the porch too early, what my mama say. My card in decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today. I remember them cold nights. Ninth grade chief keep first drop don't like. Why the time had to go by. Eat free lunch in the school, used to roll dice. I remember I ain't have shit.
Oh my God. Cordae. This shit he, bro.
Past tense. Check out my jag pins. Had to boss up, nigga can't live average. How the fuck nigga still broke? Put on my men, nigga, put on my lil bros. Need a Brazil hoe. 2003, my cousin taught me how to heel toe. Swear I ain't dancing. Shit going up, nigga, watch how I transcend. Don't need no damn friends. Rap shit for grabs, and I swear it's getting rammed. I don't got the time today.
I can't stress this enough, bro. Do what you want to do. Like, You wanna fucking be a music artist? Be a music artist. But don't like what I'm doing. I'm working a regular like 9 to 5. You shall say it's a regular job in a warehouse. You work those hours, work those 8 hours that you're supposed to. Work hard and don't fucking jibber jabber. You feel me? And then when you come home, do what you want to do. Like for me, it's reactions, gaming, recording. You know, like I like seeing people's reactions. That's why I do reactions, because I think that shit's dope. And I do that every day after work. So it's fun because I enjoy doing it. I enjoy editing. I enjoy recording an hour long video and scrunching into 20 minutes with the most like entertaining parts. Like I enjoy doing that. You gotta enjoy what you love to do, you feel me? So yeah, I don't know why I keep getting like motivated, but Cordae's talking his shit.
Money on my mind, nigga, I got to grind today. Get that shit on delay. Tell my brothers you ain't gotta worry, I'ma find a way. Shit gon' line in place. Hot on the porch too early, what my mama say. But card ain't decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today. I don't got a time today. Money on my mind, nigga, I got to grind today. Get that shit on delay.
On delay.
You ain't gotta worry, I'ma find a way. Shit gon' line in place. Hot on the porch.
Fuck what everybody say, do your shit.
Card ain't decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today. Yeah, sun gon' shine today. Ain't no kids crying today. You don't waste your time too late. I see you trying to contemplate. Match with top notch playboy, bunny looking bitch. See through lingerie. I can pay a crumbs to play. Might bust a few rhymes today. Hey, spinning like trying to race. Hey, spin, dripping for the
I can barely hear him.
Sing to him like Sade. Yeah, sing money every Monday. Drink all the water, giving Prince God like Kanye. Had to take the hard away. Now I'm doing shows rocking New Zealand, me and Cordae. Back in Australia, mate. I done paid the wave, even left them a trail to trace. Only trying to build a case. I'm just thanking God I ain't stressing my bills to pay. I ain't having nothing bad to say.
I mean, I don't really listen to Gunna, but it's alright, I guess. I don't really fuck with Gunna like that, if I'm being honest. But
Bank account loaded, got $500,000 cash in the safe. We was getting it way
it's a
back
cool
in the
little
day.
flow.
Now we in a big body made bet, taking up space. I don't got a time today.
today.
Money on my mind, nigga, I got to grind today. Get that shit on delay. Tell my brothers you ain't gotta worry, I'ma find a way. Shit gon' line in place. Hot on the porch too early, what my mama say. But card ain't decline today. Sun gon' shine, nigga, sun gon' shine today.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I fucking love Cordae, bro. I fucking love this dude.
Right now, you can save up to $400 on select mattresses. Ashley Home Store's mattress.
Next song, C. Carter. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a name, person, but that's the song title, and we gonna react to it because this is a full album review.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, need y'all to just rock with me. Yeah. I used to dream about a Dodge Charger. Suicide doors sitting on 24s. I was trying to find a job and shit. Wow. Being broken make you try harder. Sitting in the house watching Coach Carter. Plotting on
Coach
this fucking
Carter.
Cartier. Hey, plus a nigga trying to go farther. I finally arrived and nobody's here. Hey, I used to dream about a new Hummer. Back when good music dropped cruel summer.
I dream. This is a little weird. I don't know, but like a Camaro is like one of my dream cars. Like, if I could afford a Camaro, I'll get a Camaro. You feel me? Like, if it was between a Mustang or like any of those like kind of cars, I'll definitely do Camaro. But at the same time, a Corvette, stop playing with me, bro. God, those things are nice. I know nothing about cars, if I'm being honest. I just know the ones I want. And they be looking sexy.
Back when niggas wondered if I do numbers. Check the stats, boy, nigga doing huge numbers.
Oh God, he is, bro.
I ain't doing too bad.
What's the views on this one right here? 37,000, and it dropped midnight of yesterday. So like last night. It dropped last night is what I'm trying to say.
Bad for a newcomer.
And this is only on YouTube. It's not even including like Spotify, SoundCloud.
Part of the game we call life. Love is hard to attain. My little brother drive a Jeep and I just bought him a chain. A real nigga, what I'm is and what I always remain. But this bitch temptation keep calling my name. I wrote this song in LA, I was driving my Benz. Thinking about this road I'm on to acquire ends. I'm a fucking outlier, I retire these trends. Niggas told me I was stupid just for hiring friends. I used to dream about a Dodge Charger. Suicide though, sitting on 24s. I was trying to find a job and shit, why bother? Being broken make you try harder. Sitting in the house watching Coach Carter. Plotting on this fucking Cartier. Hey, plus a nigga trying to go farther. I finally arrived and nobody's here. Okay, listen to these proverbs or odd words we call rap music that took me all across the globe. Watch people react to it. Figments of imagination, couldn't fathom elation. Indescribable with words, so I'll go illustrate it. Illustrious rhyming career for which my rhymes are revered. Clear signs of alignment, shows my timing is near. We all here for an assignment. Several souls that are migrant, simply vessels in this climate. Solitary confinement. I break free every time that I wake. My faith leads and creates seeds that eventually blossoms of trees. Getting rid of all the extra shit I thought I would need. I put your head on the swivel, wear my heart on the sleeve. But just breathe, this simple exercise can even rectify our greatest sins. Although my days were...
Oh my God, bro. Cordae is gonna be fucking... He's always getting better. And I can't wait until he reaches that point where, like, everyone knows Cordae. Just like how everyone knows, like, Eminem, Snoop Dogg, you know, all them people. I just can't wait till he's in that category, bro. I'm gonna be so fucking amazed.
And next to God, I atone for all of my wrongs through our songs. But let him who is without sin go cast the first stone. I used to dream about a Dodge Charger. Suicide though, sitting on 24s. I was trying to find a job, shit, why bother? Being broken make you try harder. Sitting in the house watching Coach Carter. Plotting on this fucking Cartier. Hey, plus a nigga trying to go farther. I finally arrived and nobody's here. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Fire, bro. Fire. Bro, if this ad pops up